Hello friends, let us study about rubrospinal tract.
So what is rubrospinal tract going to do? What is the tract initiation and where is it starting from? The word rubro means red. So it is starting from the red nucleus here, which is there in the midbrain. Okay. So it starts from the midbrain, from the red nucleus and goes up to the spinal cord. It will cross over. Please mind it that red nuclear fibers or rubrotract fibers, they cross. So they cross over here. Look at this. They are crossing over here and they go to the contralateral side, descend down to the spinal cord, and they go to the limb muscles. And what is my rubrospinal tract important for? Rubrospinal tract is important for my posture again, especially for lying down, sitting and lying down. One thing I want to tell you here is the friendship between the rubrospinal and the corticospinal tract. Rubrospinal actually, what it does is it sets the stage for particular movement. It's like a story, I can say. Suppose you want to make any movement of your, you want to write something, as if I'm writing over here. Look at this. When I'm writing this, when I'm writing like this, there has to be somebody who is going to maintain the stage of my body. Means they are going to maintain the position, the tone of the muscles, the background tone, before the corticospinal tract actually descends to the fibers who are involved in your precise skilled voluntary movements. Rubro is actually having a very close association with corticospinal tract. Rubro also plays a role in your posture. But in humans, it is not that much role of the posture, but it is seen that in animals, they have a very good role for the posture and balance maintenance. As we have evolved, we see that, these tracts are small in monkeys and in humans, they are quite negligible. But these fibers, they arise from where? When we see this tract, they arise from the red nucleus, they descend down to the spinal cord and then they supply to the muscles. Rubrospinal tract are basically going to excite the flexors of the body.